Hello friends, welcome to Choose the Narendra. Today we will discuss about UK Indo-Pacific Tilt. It means UK का हिंद प्रशांत क्षेत्र की तरफ झुकाव। देन सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे ये न्यूज़ में क्यों है। अभी रिसेंटली ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने कहा है कि यूके कैरियर स्ट्राइक ग्रुप ग्लोबल स्पैनिंग मेडन डिप्लॉयमेंट विल फीचर विजिट टू इंडिया, जापान, रिपब्लिक ऑफ कोरिया एंड सिंगापुर। Earlier, the European Union had announced that it will reinforce its strategic focus, presence, and action in the Indo-Pacific with the aim of the contributing to the stability, security, prosperity, and sustainable development of the region. Now, अब हम देखेंगे की पॉइंट्स क्या हैं इसके अबाउट द यूके कैरियर स्ट्राइक ग्रुप्स CSG. The carrier strike group are often formed for a specific mission rather than by a platform. Carrier is typically part of larger formation, usually including of destroyers, frigated and submarine as well as logistical support ship. The carrier provide the primary offensive air power while other vessels provide the wider defense and support role can also participate offensively such as the launch of missile system. Now UKCSG. It will led by aircraft carrier HMS Queen Elizabeth. It will global deployment from the North Atlantic to the Indo-Pacific and the 20th week deployment will span 26 nautical miles and the CSG will undertake over 70 engagement in over 40 nations. As a part of the UK tilt toward the Indo-Pacific region, CSG will conduct engagement with Singapore, the Republic of Korea and Japan and India. UKCSG deployment Indo-Pacific, it will bolster already deep defense partnership in the region where the UK it is committed to more enduring regional defensive security presence. The engagement in Singapore, the Republic of Korea, Japan and India would provide the opportunity for strengthening the UK security relationship, tightening the political ties and the supporting UK export and international ट्रेड एजेंडा। नाउ अब हम देखेंगे इंडिया यूके की टाइज क्या है। पॉलिटिकल कॉपरेशन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम देखेंगे यूनाइटेड किंगडम यूके की स्थिति क्या है। यूनाइटेड किंगडम हमारा आयरलैंड एंड इंग्लैंड एंड स्कॉटलैंड से मिलाकर को हम यूनाइटेड किंगडम कहते हैं जिसकी राजधानी लंदन है। ओके, जो यूके एंड फ्रांस के बीच जो एक वाटर बॉडीज है इसको बोलते हैं इंग्लिश चैनल। ओके, इसके राइट में नॉर्थ सी है एंड लेफ्ट में नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ओशन है। ओके, लेट नाउ अब हम देखेंगे बायलैटरल रिलेशनशिप वाज अपग्रेडेड टू ए स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप इन 2004. The UK has reaffirmed its support for the India's permanent membership of the UK UN Security Council. Scope in economic cooperation, India's skilled labor, technological assistance, and the vibrant market will open a lot of avenues for Britain, which has already recently parted ways with the European Union. Along with the world, India is now steering toward 5G. The UK will lead India's effort to marginalize China in the telecom market. The UK is one of the largest investors in India among the G20 countries. Now, defense exercise, Air Force exercise, Indradhanush, Navy exercise, Concord, and Army exercise, Azure Warrior. Indo Pacific, the new point of the convergence, and with the UK expanding its footprint in the Indo Pacific and India working toward gaining prominence as the net security provider the region, both countries' aspiration and future seem to be intervened. An area of focus up ahead should be to be enhance military to military interaction while there exists service specific joint training exercise. Their pace has not matched with India's exercise with the US. The lack of foundational agreement may be acting as limiting factor as while memorandum of unit as a joint training is under development. A military logistical agreement expected to be signed soon. This will gives India and UK reciprocal access to each other bases and formalize the procedures for receiving and the paying for logistical support such as servicing and refueling. The UK with its bases in Kenya, Brunei, Bahrain, Oman, Singapore and British Indian Ocean Territory is now is by no means new to the region. Having such an infrastructure already in place will not only add its ambition in the region but also be available to its partner. For India, access to these bases will augment its reach further into the Indian Ocean. Working with other like minded countries such as Japan, Australia, there is great scope for the close cooperation in areas of the marine domain awareness and intelligence sharing while leveraging the strength of each other assets. In this regard, Japan initiative to enhance the defense intelligence sharing with India's Australia and UK is a significant step. Now अब हम बात करेंगे वे फॉरवर्ड आगे की राह क्या है. Moving forward, the India UK defense relation will no longer be limited to be being one of buyer and seller. It will not stop at defense production either. Through close maritime cooperation and joint approach toward maintaining regional security and stability in the Indo-Pacific, the two countries have the potential to forge a truly comprehensive strategic partnership in the action. Thank you so much to watching this and please subscribe, like, share and comment.